Why is it not
What
the real
blasphemy did she just say?
Why is it not the real one?
It's not because like Ariel's white, not brown. And Ariel's hair is long, not braided.
Also, by the way, with the Little Mermaid, can we also just mention that just from a scientific perspective, okay, it doesn't make a lot of sense to have someone with darker skin who lives deep in the ocean. What scientific perspective? It's a story about a mermaid. Those don't even exist.
Oh, so fabulous. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Dumebi. So it's been about a week since the official movie trailer for the Little Mermaid movie dropped, and people have been excited because we heard about this movie featuring Halle Bailey for like, it's been about over 2 years, pretty much like maybe 3 years since we've been talking about it. And I know it caused a lot of uproar because people expected it not to be a black girl, and we black people we just been waiting like So finally it has dropped and everybody is talking about it. People have been reacting to it. I've seen blind reactions from children, from adults, from people of all races. Everybody has been talking about it. Positive reactions and not so positive reactions. I'm going to play some of the reactions here, and then we're going to come back and talk about it.
A black girl.
Whoo, y'all, behind these plants, nothing would have me crying quicker than seeing little black and brown girls rejoice and seeing a character, a mainstream character, look like them. The fact that Halle is the Little Mermaid and she is brown, she's beautiful, and she has her locks in her hair is historical. I have never felt so connected to a princess before since, honestly, Rodgers and Hammerstein, Cinderella with Whitney and Brandy. Never have. I love that these little girls are gonna see themselves and say, oh, I'm beautiful enough to be a mermaid. I'm beautiful enough to be a princess. I'm beautiful. I'm just enough. Y'all can stay mad. We don't even need y'all at the movie theater because we got it covered. Y'all don't even have to come. She is the new Ariel, okay?
This one is for all of the clear people who are upset that Halle is actually Ariel. It's not the Ariel that I fell in love with. We're not checking for her. I'm gonna say this once, and I'm not gonna repeat myself after I say this. Halle Bailey is perfect for the role of Ariel, not only because she has the voice, but she has the aesthetic and she has the vibe, and then also she indeed does have the fire bright red hair. The difference is that she's not white. You see, if she is supposed to be under the sea, black people's hair looks completely different wet than yours. And that's what you guys don't understand. So for all of you that got your panties and your tidy whities in a bunch, you can go ahead and chill the hell out. Because we all know the real reason behind not advocating for Halle Bailey being Ariel. It's not the fact that her hair isn't fire bright red, it's the fact that she's black.
Now, speaking about Ariel, the color of Ariel's hair, there was a video that I saw on TikTok. I couldn't download it because the download option was switched off, but I got screenshots of the important points that was made. I'm just going to put that right here so that you guys can see. So obviously underwater color looks different. Like there's less light there. There's just a lot of things going. I don't know about the biology or the physics of that whole thing, but the way color looks underwater, deep down underwater, is different from how it looks on the water surface or in land. Okay, so that explains it, because we know Halle's hair is actually red. Okay, so I would have played this video next, but I can't play because of the background music, and I can't mute the background music without muting what he says. But this video in particular is by Rob Marshall, who is the director of this movie, you know, the whole Little Mermaid movie, and he talked about how Halle was the first person that they saw, like, who auditioned for the role. She was the first person, and after she finished singing they were in tears. Like, she is so talented, she's perfect for the role and all of that. Obviously, she was picked based on talent. The people who made the choice to pick Halle did not see color. They were not biased. They didn't think of those prejudices. They just picked someone who they felt was going to be able to play the role and who could sing. Because, I mean, she's a Disney princess, so she had to sing, right? And Halle obviously nailed it. That was why they picked her. She's a freaking Grammy Award nominee. Halle is crazy talented. Just from the trailer, the singing alone is beautiful. Now I'm just gonna play a few of the reactions, the blind reactions from beautiful, cute little black girls. I'm saying this with a lot of emotions because I watched so many of those videos, you know, the blind reactions from little black girls, and I was so touched. I was basically shedding tears. I'm not going to play them right now. The thing is, even some people that are not black get it. They understand. I'm gonna play a couple of, you know, non-black people reacting to the trailer or reacting to blind reactions of the black girls reacting to the trailer.
I'm so sick of woke culture. Now they done turned Little Mermaid black. What the hell you gain out of making Little Mermaid black?
I think she's brown. Is Ariel? Wish I could. She's a black girl.
If you watch that video and you still don't get it, then you're a piece of shit.
Ariel can't be black because what about blah blah blah. Stop it. The Little Mermaid, besides being a fictional story, is a children's movie. So let's cut the ridiculousness and care about this instead.
Her voice is beautiful. She's black! Mama, she's black! What? Do you want to go see that? Yes.
If you don't like Black Ariel is not for you. She's for them.
So this is what I think. I feel like some people that are not black are equally okay with it, while some are not. And the truth is, there are actually 12 Disney princesses. Yes, I did my research. There are 12 Disney princesses, and of the 12, this is the second one who is black. That's the first one being Brandy and Whitney. You know, they were in the whole Cinderella movie. There was a lot of, you know, racial diversity in that movie. Lovely movie. And then there's this one right now. A lot of these Disney movies, the main characters, the princesses, are mostly Caucasian, aside maybe Pocahontas, Princess Jasmine, Moana. I think those are the few that I can remember that are not Caucasian. This particular Little Mermaid movie came out for the first time in 1989. I don't believe then there was a lot of representation as per people that are not white. I'm not speaking of just black people now, but now things have changed. People are beginning to be, you know, a little bit more accepting. There's a lot of diversity, a lot more representation is starting to happen. Little Mermaid is a freaking mermaid. I don't even think I remember seeing any outrage when Will Smith played the role of the genie in Aladdin. Is it because the genie is blue? So really the color of the skin really does matter to these people, and it's just a big deal. It's a children's movie. If you're pissed off by the fact that Halle is playing this role because she's black and you feel it's a white girl's role, then please don't watch the movie when it comes out. I think the only thing that I'm not happy about this whole thing is the fact that we have to wait till May of 2023 to see this movie. Believe me, I would see it. I'm definitely going to be supporting Halle because, yeah, that's my girl. Like, We need to come out in numbers to watch this, okay? Because if it doesn't even do well, you all know that they're going to come out and say yes, it's because it was a black girl, and they're just going to blame it on all of that. So I can't wait for this movie to drop. You guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.